Welcome back. In this video we will be seeing how to download an Eclipse IDE. Before that we will see what and all IDEs that are available for Java. So just click for IDE for Java and in this you can see so many IDEs. IDEs are nothing but integrated development environment kits like Eclipse, NetBeans, IntelliJ IDE, BlueJ, JDeveloper, Microsoft Visual Studio, Dr. Java, JCreator. There are n more which are available, but highly used is Eclipse, and you can use Eclipse download. And you'll see Eclipse downloads the Eclipse Foundation. This page will be displayed, and you can click on the first one, and you can see this download Eclipse Foundation page. It's an actually it's a free website, and this IDE is absolutely free. And you can click on download 8664 and here you will see the nearest server in which you are going to download. It's in this case it's Canada Rafael Rescues HTTPS. And if you want you can select another mirror also, but I am going to select this itself, no mention. Click on download. You can see this. It will take several seconds. Yeah, now the Eclipse has been completed. Click on show in folder. Right click. Run as administrator. Click on yes. It's going to install. Just click on Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and Web Developer. You can choose the path in which you want to use, and already you chosen the path, and the Java folder path also will be available here. This is the Java 16 JDK 16. Click on install, and clicking on install it will be installed. So this is the version which I was using while installing the Eclipse. And in this I wanted to mention that in this JDK version, while you are installing, if there is n number of versions, if you want a older version you can select the older version and install. In this case I am installing JDK 14, and okay, and now you can see now you can install, and by clicking on accept it will be installing. It will take several seconds to install based on your system and RAM which you are using. So there you can see it's saying that it's taking longer than usual. Now you have to click on accept. Accept, select all, accept selected. Yeah, Just follow this process. Yeah, now it's saying that the installation is completed successfully. So right now I don't want to launch. So this was done previously, not right now, and it's a recorded video. So I don't want to install the Eclipse and again install it. So that's why I'm uploading this video. So if you're having any doubts, then you can just ping me or comment in this below section. Thank you. This PC OS Eclipse.exe, and even you can create a shortcut on desktop. Okay, click on launch. And the Eclipse is successfully launched. So thank you for watching this video, and after installing, in the next video we will be doing some basic Java program. So while if you are getting any problems while installing Eclipse, just ping me in the comment section, or you can even mail me, and my mail ID is in description. Thank you for watching this video.